In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Photos locked folder. This feature is perfect for hiding sensitive photos and videos on your Android device, keeping them out of your main library and away from other apps. I'll walk you through setup, how to move items in and out, and a few important things to keep in mind so you don't accidentally lose anything. First, let's set up the locked folder. Open the Google Photos app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, tap Collections. If you're on an older version of the app, this may be labeled Library. Scroll down until you see Locked or Locked Folder and tap it. Choose Set up Locked Folder. You'll be prompted to use your phone's existing screen lock, which could be a PIN, password, pattern, or your fingerprint. There isn't a separate password just for the folder. It uses the same lock that secures your device. Once you authenticate, the folder is ready. Now let's move photos or videos into the locked folder. In Google Photos, select the items you want to hide. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Move to Locked Folder. Confirm by tapping Move again. As soon as they move, those items disappear from your main photo grid. They won't show up in albums, memories, or search results, and other apps won't be able to access them. They'll remain hidden unless you unlock the folder. When you want to view them later, open Google Photos, go back to Collections, and tap Locked. Authenticate using your phone's security method to unlock it. You'll now see everything you've placed inside. If you need to move items back out, open the locked folder, select the photos or videos you want to restore, and tap Move Out or Restore. They'll return to your regular library and start appearing in albums, memories, and searches again. A few important things to know. The locked folder relies on your phone's screen lock. There's no custom password option. Items in the locked folder may not appear on the Google Photos website unless backup is enabled for them. If backup is turned off, deleting the Photos app or resetting your phone can permanently remove anything stored in the locked folder, so double-check your backup settings before making big changes. Also, for privacy, screenshots are blocked while you're inside the locked folder. That's it. Simple, secure, and built right into Google Photos to help you control what stays private.